How to share Facebook Messenger group link. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can share Facebook Messenger group link. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch your Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you land on your chat page, now you have to select the group from where you want to share the link. Here I have this group right here. Once you're on the chat page, navigate to the top section and tap on the group name. Once you land on this group info page, scroll down a bit and there is a section as chat info. So here there's an option as invite link, tap on it. And here make sure to turn on the first toggle that says invite link. After you turn on that toggle, now you can either directly share it through different platforms right here, or you can simply copy the link and share it somewhere that you want. And that's the way to share Facebook Messenger group link. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.